Welcome to Prefab Caravans and Prefab Buildings Company. Prefab cabins are a popular type of luxury housing because they're easy to build, transport, and assemble. Cabin designs are typically customizable, come in a range of designs and sizes, and take anywhere from a few days to weeks to assemble off-site. Prefab cabins also have a range of prices, including more affordable options. Like any prefabricated structure, prefab cabins are a type of real estate that should be considered seriously. Shopping for a prefab is a major investment, so we've put together a list of the best prefab cabins for your consideration. We'll also address log cabin kits, modular homes, cabin sizes, and planning permissions for those interested in something more modular, permanent, or closer to home. Our favorite prefab cabins are selective but well-made. Pre-built cabins are simple yet diverse due to their streamlined construction and generally minimalist designs. The prefab cabin homes listed below offer a range of personalization options, styles, and eco-friendly materials. The cabins will suit the needs of a single person, a couple, or a family depending on your desired lifestyles and needs. Below are some of the best prefab cabins on the market. Go to my website www.pro-frgw.com and see my all products.